How are you all? I'm also good. So this is Jayaprakash, and today we are gonna start the peer talk here. And today I got the opportunity to say something in front of the camera, and says Aradhya and says Priya, and they will tell you that how to do conversation here. And definitely you'll enjoy this video while watching this video. And let's start that. Take it, Aradhya.
So hello Priya,
Hello Radhya,
how are you?
I'm good and you?
I'm also pretty good. So what are you doing today?
Okay, so I'm doing nothing special. I'm just doing my domestic works and I just came here and learning the English. And
Okay.
you?
I'm also doing my done with my online classes, and also recently I done my exams, and now I'm waiting for my next semester that I'm in college, and I do graduation from Shahid Bhagat Singh College, and also in afternoon I came International Institute that is very good for English. I also go there and I also learn so many things from here related to personality development, related to talking, how to do communication. Literally that institute is too good.
Yeah, it's very good. So what do you want to become?
So if I talk about like professionally, I just want to be a lawyer, but for being a good person, for being a public figure, I also want that how to talk with persons, and also I don't do somehow a charity work.
Okay, it sounds good, Aradhya.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So how many members in your family?
Like I have 4 members in my family: my father, mother, and my younger brother. And in your family?
Okay, in my family over 8 members in my family. Me, my mother and father, my 1 nephew and my brother and my 3 sisters.
Okay, that's really nice. You have a joint family. It
Yes.
sounds good because, like in this time, literally, there's a few only
Yeah.
people who are living in joint family.
Yeah.
That's literally is a great unity in your family.
Thank you.
Okay, so from you are getting inspiration for doing study hard and for being something in your life.
Yeah, firstly my study, so I'm pursuing a BA second year and I want to become an actor, and it's my childhood dream and it's also my father's dream.
Oh, that's great. Your
Yes.
father also having the same dream.
Yes.
Okay, so that's still nice.
That's why I want to become an
Okay,
actor.
that's nice that father having that kind of mentality, because in this time, like so many people don't want that
Yeah,
they are
yeah.
you know what I mean.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So tell me about something else about you.
About me, so I also tell you my dream. I want to become actor.
Okay.
So I also doing something for free time like dancing.
Okay.
I like also
Okay,
dance.
I just want to ask one thing. Like in childhood, we also having a dream. Like I want to be a doctor. I want to be an engineer. You having that?
Yeah, I'm also facing these problems like I want to become air hostess. Like mostly I thought I want to become an
Okay,
actress.
you change your dream.
Yeah, I'm totally changed my dream.
Okay, that's also pretty good. Like somehow you are changing, but I think that you now you have to fix your dream and you have to work on that.
Yeah, now I'm fixed my dream because I just took admission in acting classes. Then I just think I'm doing this only this acting line. I'm just going to acting line.
So really, very great, very big. All the best from my side
thank you.
for your career.
Thank you.
Okay.
And what about you?
So about me, really, I just make myself limited with the person, because I have to work on myself, because now that's the time that I just focus on myself, on my dreams, and literally when we come in 20s, we have to focus on us only. We are not going with the friends. We are not having that much time that we are wasting somewhere, because if we make our career at that time, we have if we are going to be serious, that is great for us. If we are not, then definitely we have a guilt that if we do that time that thing, we obviously we have a guilt.
Okay, so what do you think nowadays is Corona is going on, so it's affect your study
Definitely.
and everybody's study now?
Corona literally that damn.
Yeah. So nowadays exams is going on. What's your experience now?
So about online exam, you know, that's very, very new for us. Like in online exam, we also something get something from that side, and also we are lost so many things. Like in online exam, the thing is that the student who do hard in their classes, they also do online by cheating, and also there are so many students who didn't do anything, but they also do exams with the help of Google, with the help of books. So it's like pretty okay, not that much good.
Yeah, it's not look like a exam. you know?
Yeah, I'm not getting any kind of kick from my exam. Even from before our exam, we have like, oh, exam is coming, but this time this thing is not happening with me.
Yeah, in school time we are tensed now. Yeah, exam is come. So what
Yeah,
can
literally,
we do? Yeah.
literally, I feel that also.
So what does your father do?
So my father is a property dealer, and also we are having a shop related to dry fruits and all. So we are selling that in hotels.
Good, na?
Okay.
Okay.
And your father?
Okay, my father is a building contractor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so in your family, your mother, like she having which kind of nature with you, and like she's good or that typical.
She's good and she's very angry for the little thoughts. Yeah, she's very angry for me, and but she's loving too much.
Really, I feel so good while talking to you. Really, you are so nice person.
Yeah, you are also nice person. You are looking so pretty now.
Yeah.
You are very so sweet.
Thank you. Now I have to go. Literally, I want to
Yeah.
go somewhere. So
Okay,
that's
nice to meet
pretty
you,
good.
Radhya.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah,